Welcome, innovative thinkers and data-savvy entrepreneurs. Today, we're diving into a key part of your pitch deck, the market analysis slide. This slide is your chance to turn raw data into a compelling argument for your startup's potential. Let's explore how to make this slide not just informative, but truly persuasive. First off, focus on clear data presentation. Use graphs, charts, and infographics to bring your market data to life. This visual representation helps make complex information easy to understand and more engaging for your audience. Now, incorporate relevant statistics. Include key numbers like market size, growth rate, or significant trends that directly bolster your business case. Make sure your data is up to date and from credible sources to build trust and authority. It's crucial to clearly define your target market. Who are they? What are their needs and preferences? This specificity helps investors see that you deeply understand your potential customers. Provide an overview of the competitive landscape. Show where your startup fits in the existing market and how it stands out against competitors. This context is vital for investors to gauge your competitive edge. Highlight relevant market trends. Discuss trends that support the need for your solution, showing your market insight and foresight. This demonstrates that your startup is not just viable now, but will be in the future too. If possible, include customer insights. Testimonials or case studies add a real-world dimension to your market analysis, making it more relatable and impactful. These stories can validate your data and market predictions. Lastly, turn your data into a narrative. How does this data create a unique opportunity for your startup? Weave your numbers into a story that highlights why your startup is perfectly positioned to capitalize on these market trends. Remember, your market analysis slide is more than just figures and charts. It's a story about opportunity, growth, and potential. It's about using data to paint a picture of a future where your startup plays a leading role. Let's transform those numbers into a narrative that will capture the imagination and confidence of your investors.